is hacked. Look at this. Oh, yeah, sub to sub. Okay, thanks, bye. Fast and loyal. If not, I get a subs back and I will unsub your channel. I don't know what that means, but this person's definitely got bad English, and even worse, it just literally, there is no music.
Alright, so here we are. The thing about these guys is that they have really
Now, you could hear like a little bit of background music, but that's probably not even Sandstorm. So, I just want to say, please, hashtag stop K-Thanks, bye, and join my campaign, and please help us stop whoever the hell did this. It could have been the co-founder, I don't know, but I'm going to contact YouTube on Twitter and hope for them to remove it. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you in another video. Yeah, it's a different phone. Yeah, no, I haven't switched phones. Just using a different one today. Bye.